ये ठीक है. बहुत लोग कंफ्यूज हो गए थे. My actually present sir, right. Yeah, many of you had got confused. My lecture was actually on 2:15, but because of some small change, that has been kept at 1:30. Okay, ठीक है. I'll wait for. I'll just do a revision of yesterday's, so that by the time the rest of you can join. ठीक है, तो कल का एक small revision करता हूँ, and your concept will also get cleared. Okay, so in this, okay, the fourth problem of problems of fourth module. I'm so sorry. Problems of fourth module will be having a certain kind of a format, a pattern in which all the sums will be coming similar to this pattern. Okay, so you can attempt all the problems if you know this pattern and you know this format. Okay, so in this case, again, there are two companies. One will be a target company, one will be the acquiring company. The target company details, the details of the target company will be given in the question. Okay, and the details of how the acquiring company is going to acquire the target company, वो कैसे करेगा वो है. Okay, so ठीक है. So we have started yesterday. We did one problem. I'll quickly go through that problem so that this was the problem in which the balance sheet of the target company will be given. Remember, every time the balance sheet of target company is more important. Even if balance sheet of acquiring company is given, it is not much importance. One or two entries might be we'll be using. Okay, if the question is asked in that way, but 99% the balance sheet of target company is given, and then it will be told in what way the acquiring company is going to acquire. In this case, the company B is the acquiring company. We came to know by this sentence, and company A is the target company. So target company is being acquired in lump sum amount of 6,61,500 and fully paid, and we need to prepare leisure. Almost 99% of the time we have to prepare leisure after the acquisition, and also pass the closing entries. Okay, closing entries will be of target company. Opening entries, if it is given, it is of the acquiring company. We'll do another sum related to opening entries today. Okay, so the solution was the first thing you need to do is to find the purchase consideration. Okay, PC, purchase consideration, you need to find out the first thing. My screen is visible and my voice is audible, right? Can anyone give confirmation? Yes, no, my screen is visible and I am audible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir, it's visible.
Okay, thank you. ठीक है, अभी थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनो, कल का रिवीजन है. तो परचेज कंसिडरेशन इज द फर्स्ट थिंग वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट इन एनी काइंड ऑफ अ सम. इन परचेज कंसिडरेशन इट इज डायरेक्टली गिवन 6,61,000, सो नो मच सेग्रीगेशन हियर. ठीक है, डायरेक्टली दिया है, एंड द टोटल इज 6,61,000. दिस इज हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू पे टू द शेयर होल्डर्स of the target company. Then the first thing after purchase consideration is realization account in every sum. Realization account, in this you will be putting all the assets of the target company here, and the liabilities side here. Okay, on the credit side, debit side में assets आ जाएंगे, and liability side में all the liabilities which the company is liable to pay to someone else, that will come. Okay, remaining the share capital and reserves and surplus, then profit and loss account, that will not be coming here. Okay, that is not, we are not paying it to someone. Now in this, the purchase consideration amount will also be coming, as this will be paid to the shareholders of target company A, and this is the balancing figure. So this is the realization account. Now इसके बाद में, realization account के बाद में, we will make an account for B Limited, the target company's account. In this, to realization account by equity share this is the amount. So we are transferring this 6,61,500 like this, and we'll make this account equity shares in B account, where equity shareholder को हम लोग दे रहे हैं to B limited account by equity shareholders account. We are transferring like this, and finally the last account will be making of equity shareholder account. Okay. So in this case, this is the amount they are getting. Actual shareholders are getting this much amount, but they are actually worth of this much amount, 7 lakhs. How? They have invested their money, and they have the share capital of 5 lakh in the company. They have general reserves and surplus they have kept in cash or any way, which is 1,70,000 is the general reserves with the company, and the profit of that company is 30,000, which they have earned. So actually the worth of the company, or the worth which the shareholders should get, is 7 lakhs, but they are getting 6 lakhs. So this is a kind of a loss, which is also a balancing figure from the realization account, 38,500. So ये equity shareholder का account. So by this we complete the ledger. Okay. So next, it was asked in the question about closing entries. So closing entries will be for the target company. So closing entries ka my technique is, we'll start with the liability side of the realization account. Okay, the credit side of the realization account. Okay. From this, we have 12% debentures, creditors, and employee PF. This was the liability to realization account. Okay, this much. 1,65,000. Okay, yeah, correct. 1,65,000. So this is the first entry. Second entry of realization account, this much. Third entry was just a balancing figure of the loss. So we complete, by these 3 entries, we complete the credit side of the realization account. So uske entries ho gaye. Then we come to the debit side. Debit side mein we have written all the assets. So realization account debit to all these assets. Okay, so this is the 4th entry. Now we have completed realization account mein jo bhi tha uska entries we have done in journal entries. Okay, then we will come to the remaining part, which was the equity shares to be limited, equity shareholders to equity shares limited. Okay, then finally, shareholder account, last account which we made. Okay, actually there was worth of this much. So this is what I was telling you. Okay, so ये last account का entries हो गया. So this was about the yesterday's sum. Today the method anyways is going to remain same. ठीक है, तो आज के sum में आज के समय में it is pretty much same, but there are few things which will be added here. ठीक है, in this again, White Limited agreed to acquire Green Limited. As on dated, balance sheet of Green Limited is given. Okay, balance sheet of Green Limited, White Limited is agreed to acquire Green Limited. Now, Green जो है, this is our target company. White is our acquiring company, and we are interested in balance sheet or the details of Green Limited. So balance sheet of Green Limited is given. Liabilities side, asset side. Liabilities में from this, if I want to prepare a realization account, then from here directly I can tell that the assets, all the assets will come on the debit side of realization account, and from the liabilities, share capital will not come, general reserve will not come, P&L will not come, debentures and creditors will come on the credit side of realization account. Okay, by this at least you should be able to you should be able to judge कि क्या आ सकता है. ठीक है, not going further, I will just okay, there are too much information given. Okay, I'll do one by one. In this sum, there is no lump sum payment. In the previous sum, there was a lump sum payment of 6,61,500 directly. ठीक है, so कुछ calculation नहीं था. In this sum, there is no lump sum payment. They are paying as per the number of shares. So they are paying in 2 ways. First, they are doing a cash payment. ठीक है, एक कैश पेमेंट दे रहे हैं. कितना? ₹2.5 rupees दे रहे हैं, covering 10 shares in Green Limited. That means for every 10 shares, they are giving ₹2.50. Okay, ₹2.50 for every 10 shares. 20 shares का 5 rupees. Okay, 40 shares का 10 rupees. Okay, so they are giving in those multiples cash payment. Along with cash payment के साथ साथ they are issuing 90,000 shares. Who is issuing? Acquiring company, White Limited. White Limited is the acquiring company. They are issuing 90,000 shares. Okay, rupees 10 equity shares fully paid in White Limited at an agreed value of 15 rupees per share. ठीक है. So there are two ways in which they are paying the target company shareholders. One is the cash payment, 2.5 rupees for every 10 shares, then issue of 90,000 shares of White Limited company, which is of 10 rupees equity shares fully paid है. But उनको ऑफर कितना मिल रहा है? 15 rupees per share. ठीक है, नेगोशिएशन हो गया, बातचीत हो गया. ग्रीन लिमिटेड, व्हाइट लिमिटेड के शेयर होल्डर्स आर सिटिंग, बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स आर सिटिंग मे बी, एंड दे आर डिस्कसिंग. So discussion में they have negotiated and they have finalized कि for every 10 shares, okay, you have to pay us 2.5 rupees, 2 rupees 50 पैसा pay करना है, and you need to give us 90,000 shares of White Limited of your company. अभी now the shares of Green Limited will be torn and thrown in the dustbin. Okay, they will no longer be there. Now all the shareholders of Green Limited will become the shareholders of White Limited. Okay, how they will become? For every, first of all, they'll issue 90,000 new shares. Okay, and to the Green Limited shareholders. Okay, so Green Limited shareholders had 60,000. Okay, if you, okay. So 6 lakhs is the capital amount of 10 rupees per share. So 60,000 is the shares which is there in the Green Limited. And in return of 60,000, they are giving how much? 90,000 shares. So 60,000 ले रहे हैं, उसको फाड़ के फेंक रहे हैं, and new shares they are 90,000 they are giving. So we can have an exchange ratio also, 60 is to 90 or 66 is to 9 or 2 is to 3 के ratio में they are giving. Okay, and that means for every 2 shares of Green Limited, they are giving 3 shares of White Limited. Okay, you don't need to remember all this here, but if it is an exchange ratio problem, then you can analyze. Okay, for 60,000 shares, they are getting 90,000 shares in return. तो ज़्यादा मिल रहा है. ठीक है, so the share value is 10 rupees, but after the negotiation, they have agreed for 15 rupees per share. So 5 rupees का premium they are also paying. ठीक है. Third is, so these two things are the payment to the target company shareholders. Third is, White Limited agreed to discharge 12% debenture of Green Limited at a premium of 20% by allotment of 14% debentures. इसका क्या मतलब है? There are debenture holders also in Green Limited. There है 12% debentures, 1 lakh. Okay, so debenture holders भी है. Debentures holder के लिए भी special offer. Okay, what is the special offer? They are giving a premium of 20%, and from the next month 14% debentures हो जाएगा. So 20% का increase they will be getting, debenture holders. Okay, so first 2 was for equity shareholders, third is for debenture holders. Then अभी है ना White Limited के shareholders are sitting. Okay, and their finance team है White Limited का. Finance team बैठ के calculation कर रहा है. What calculation? They have taken this balance sheet from Green Limited and they are analyzing. Land and building this much, plant and machinery this much, stock is this much, debtors this much, cash this much. Now they finance team along with the operations या supply chain या कोई भी दूसरे team के साथ में they visited the land, they analyzed the building, plant कैसा है, machinery कैसा है. They are doing the analysis of the structure of the machines. So after the analysis, the team which was doing the analysis, they told the finance team that the land and building is not of 2,30,000. Plant and machinery is not of 4,10,000. Okay, and also stock is not 1,68,000. इतने का नहीं है. ये लोग they might have done window dressing या कुछ भी किया है. So finance team is telling we'll do our own calculation. Okay, I'm just making up the story. ठीक है, ऐसा कुछ है नहीं. तो finance team is doing a kind of a analysis and they are telling कि नहीं, this is not the correct value. the valuation has been mismatched. So we will do our own valuation. ठीक है, we take this in realization account, right? तो हम लोग खुद का वैल्यूएशन करेंगे एंड खुद के वैल्यूएशन के हिसाब से they have decided that land and building will be of this value, plant and machinery will be of this value, stock will be of this value. ठीक है, ठीक है. So this we will consider for the calculation and not this for the white limited, because वो लोग के फाइनेंस टीम ने डिसाइड किया ना, लैंड एंड बिल्डिंग इज नॉट 6 लाख समथिंग, इट इज 7 लाख समथिंग. सेम वे फॉर प्लांट एंड मशीनरी इन स्टॉक. तो ये थोड़ा वैल्यूएशन चेंज करेंगे, नथिंग एल्स. एंड द लास्ट थिंग इज debtors subject to 5% to cover the bad debts. सही, second last thing. Okay, जो debtors है Green Limited के, they are liable to pay to Green Limited some amount. So from that 5% will consider as a bad debts. So White Limited के finance team ने decide किया कि 5% छोड़ देते हैं, we'll consider it as a bad debt. So whichever debt, whatever the amount of debtor is there, we'll remove 5% from that and we'll write it down. Okay, and the final thing is the cost of liquidation of Green Limited came to 5,000, which will be borne by White Limited. ठीक है, फाइनली कुछ एक्सपेंसेस हो गया, ग्रीन लिमिटेड को शट डाउन करने के लिए लिक्विडेटर को पैसा दे रहे हैं, कुछ किसी को कुछ ना कुछ पैसा दे रहे हैं, ओके, टू क्लोज डाउन द एंटायर थिंग. So the cost, whatever the cost is there for liquidation, which came up to around 5,000, it will also be given by White Limited. So that is also an expense. If 5,000, this just for simplicity, ठीक है, इतना 5 लाख और 5 लाख 56,000 ऐसा कुछ भी हो सकता है. Just for simplicity of the sum, they have kept it as 5,000. So 5,000 जो भी expenses आया है to close down the company, to give it to any remaining expenses जो भी है, so the cost will be borne by White Limited itself. That will also be added into expense. ठीक है, so this is the additional information which is given. First, cash payment. Second, issue of additional equity. Third, for the debenture holders. Fourth, revaluation of the assets. Fifth, debtors related bad debts will be considered. Sixth, the additional expense. Okay, one second. Okay, so this is there. Any doubts in this? I'll move on to the solution. Again, remember, solution mein first thing will be always purchase consideration. So now pay attention, okay? Just pay attention. Even if you're writing it down, just pay attention. So if this is the different thing, rest all remain same. Okay, leisure one. Okay, first one was 2.5, okay, rupees 2, the rupees रहेगा, rupees 2.5 for every rupee 10 share, ठीक है, for every 10 shares, ये rupees इधर उधर हो गया, so for every 10 shares, okay, 10 shares के लिए they will be giving 2.5 rupees. So in this case, the Green Limited is having 60,000 shares. 60,000 how? I have just now told you. 6 lakhs is the capital for 10 shares के लिए. Okay, rupee 10 share का एक share है. So the capital is 6 lakhs. So 6 lakhs divided by 10 will be 60,000. These are the number of shares. 60,000 shares into 2.5 rupees. Okay, which is 1,50,000 is the amount. ठीक है, इतना the White Limited needs to pay. Okay, actually ये हाँ 10 rupees 10 shares है and rupees 2.5 rupees for every share है. Okay, कुछ तो गड़बड़ है, but every share, it is for every share. Okay, I guess I have told you for 10 shares. Yeah, not 10 shares. Okay, rupees 10 shares था. For every share they are giving 2.5 rupees. Okay, the value of that share is rupees 10 book value. ठीक है, तो 60,000 into 2.5, this is the amount. Then equity capital. Okay, equity shares they are giving 90,000. They are issuing new, and at 15 rupees after negotiation they have decided 15 rupees is the amount. So 13,50,000. So in this, these are the two segregation in which one is the cash amount, one is the equity capital. So total purchase consideration will be, okay, okay, it is 15 lakhs. Fine, total purchase consideration is 15 lakhs. Okay, this is 0 and this is also 0. Okay, this is not that important, but you need to write it in this way. Discharge of purchase consideration. How? Cash this much. Equity shares is actually 9 lakhs. Premium which they are paying on shares is this much. Okay, so this is how it comes 15 lakhs. 15 lakhs from the white limited side, 15 lakhs from the green limited side. How they are getting? They are getting cash this much. They are getting share, equity shares this much. Premium this much they are getting. So it is 15 lakhs. That's how it is discharged. ठीक है, any doubts इधर कुछ पूछना है? In the next sums to come, there can be preference capital also. So it will be again added here. Okay. Cash का कुछ changes, but ज़्यादा changes नहीं आएगा. Cash will be there, equity and preference maximum it can come. But many a times preference is not, ठीक है आया तो आया. But many a times cash and equity are generally comes. The lump sum it will be very easy. So it might not come lump sum amount. Okay, but generally cash, how much is the payment? Equity, how much is the payment? We need to just understand. Okay, if you take 10 rupees, it will be incorrect. Okay, because they have agreed at 15 rupees. It is told in the question. They have agreed on 15 rupees. We have to take 15 rupees and multiply by the number of shares the acquiring company is offering. Okay, if it is no doubt, I'll move on to the realization account. It is straightforward again with one change actually. Okay, so this again. Okay, ये one. Okay, this is from the asset side of the Green Limited. Okay, 1 lakh, 2 lakh 30,000, 4 lakh 10,000. Okay, realization account. Now this is prepared by Green Limited. Okay, so Green Limited के accounts आएगा. From here it will come 1 lakh, 2 lakh 30,000, 4 lakh 10,000, 1 lakh 68, 36,000, 56,000. This is from the Green Limited balance sheet. Okay, this with revaluation of assets. Who has done this revaluation? This revaluation is done by the finance team of the acquiring company. Okay, so in their books they will be writing using this. Okay, but in realization account has been prepared by the Green Limited, which is the target company. So ये लोग ने खुद के book से ही उठाया. Okay, they have used the amounts from their books itself. Okay, ledger we are preparing for the target company. I hope you remember this. Ledger we are preparing for the target company. Closing entries we are preparing for the target company. So we can use directly the ledgers and we can put the closing entries the same amount. Okay, they will not have much difference. Opening entries, when we are telling, opening entries will be prepared for the acquiring company. So that will be different, not from the realization account, either same time. So the values of realization account will be from the balance sheet of the target company directly. Okay, so all the assets came here. Liabilities by debtors and creditors, liabilities also came here. Along with that, purchase consideration, full amount. इसमें कुछ segregation की जरूरत. Okay, by White Limited, purchase consideration is 1 lakh. ठीक है, इधर भी कुछ गड़बड़ है. 15 lakhs is the amount. Okay. Now there was a balancing figure, if you remember in the previous sum, 38,000 कुछ balancing figure था. Okay, in this the balancing figure is here. Okay, here, which is 6,20,000 to equity shareholder account. The balancing figure is here. That means the Green Limited, the target company, shareholders are happy because they are in profit. Okay, in the earlier sum they were at loss of 38,000. In this case, they are profit of 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs ka profit. That means the company Green Limited has been overvalued by White Limited. Okay, valuation के हिसाब से they have paid more. Okay, so Green Limited shareholders are very happy. ठीक है. Next comes the white limited account. If you remember, the same thing continues. White limited account है. We are making white limited account to realization account this much. Now here we are giving a segregation. How this 15 lakhs has been disbursed? By cash 1,50,000, by equity shares 13 lakhs 50,000. Here we are giving a segregation. In the earlier sum there was no segregation. There was a lump sum. So directly we have written by equity shares. Okay. तो शेयर होल्डर्स को मिल रहा था डायरेक्टली, बट इधर कैश एंड इक्विटी शेयर्स टू सेग्रीगेशंस आते हैं. सो दैट्स द रीजन वी आर मेकिंग टू डिफरेंट अकाउंट्स फॉर कैश अकाउंट एंड इक्विटी शेयर्स अकाउंट. ठीक है. इक्विटी शेयर्स का ऑफ वाइट लिमिटेड टू वाइट लिमिटेड अकाउंट 30,50,000 टू इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर अकाउंट 30,50,000. एंड वन मोर अकाउंट वी आर मेकिंग इज ऑफ कैश अकाउंट. कैश अकाउंट 1,15,000 टू इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर अकाउंट 1,15,000. Okay. And finally, equity shares in white limited account, the last account which we also made in the previous. पैसा आ रहा किधर से? Cash 15 lakhs, 1,50,000, equity shares 13,50,000. How it is getting actually कितना worth है company का? 6 lakhs. We have got this terms from the balance sheet of Green Limited. Okay, we have not included anywhere this. 6 lakhs is the capital, 1,70,000 is the reserves, 1,10,000 is the P&L account. This is actually the worth. They are getting how much? They are getting this much. That's the reason by realization account, we have got this as the profit. This is what I was telling. Balancing figure इधर आया तो ये profit हो गया 6,20,000 का. Okay. In the earlier sum, to realization account, here it was there 38,000. This we are getting a profit. I hope you know all this. Entries ka. Just I'm stressing it out. Okay, this is same for almost all the sums. Now, the last part here is about opening entries. In the earlier sum, I was discussing about closing entries. Okay, so closing entries is very easy. You just take the entries from the realization account and all the ledgers which we have prepared. Okay, closing entries easy hota hai. Here also you can make closing entries. It was not asked in the question, so I have not mentioned it. Okay, but even here you can make closing entries. So closing entries ka it will be just journal entries from the ledgers which we have created. You can extract from that itself and write it down. Okay, but opening entries ka there are certain things. Okay, opening entries mein there is a liquidator. Okay, generally. How a merger happens, or how the transfer of the company happens, it is a part of theory, okay, which I'm telling you. Give me 1 minute to explain that. There is a target company. That target company, okay, a target company and an acquiring company. Okay, the acquiring company will appoint a liquidator. Okay, and the target company, there will be a liquidator appointed. Okay, by any of them. Okay, in certain cases, both of them negotiate and they appoint a liquidator. Liquidator is also a kind of a company. That person will take care of all the liquidation of the target company and the transfer of the assets and the liabilities to the acquiring company. Which is जो पूरा मेहनत का काम है ना, liquidation of the assets and the transfer of the assets and liabilities and ये सब जो भी whatever the thing is happening, the liquidator will take care of it. And the payment will be done to the liquidator. ये सब मेहनत का, the payment will be done to the liquidator. If you remember, the same goes for when you make your private company into public company using an IPO. So you have appointed a investment bank for all the merchant banking activities, or a merchant bank itself to do the merchant banking activities. Okay. So you are, as a company, you are paying the merchant banks for the entire process of IPO. In the same way, when you're closing down the company, the target company is closing down the company and handing it over to the acquiring company. So in the same way, liquidator will be appointed to do all the, to take care of the headaches of that liquidation process. Okay, so we consider, first we'll transfer everything, target companies to the liquidator, and liquidator say it will be taken in the acquiring company. Okay, just a, what do you say, books mein transaction aise karte hain. So the first thing, okay, in the The first thing in the opening entries is always by purchase account will be made for the acquiring company. They are purchasing the company in 15 lakhs. They are giving this 15 lakhs to the liquidator. And liquidator will make sure कि जो भी जिसको भी cash कैसा मिलना है and the shareholders को they are getting shares, the transfer हो रहा है, that is his headache. Okay, I have written the comment and narration here. Yesterday I have not written it because जगह का problem था. So being business purchased. Okay, you can write just like this. So the first thing is the acquiring company is purchasing the business in 15 lakhs. So by purchase account to liquidator account of Green Limited. So liquidator को दे रहे हैं 15 lakhs. Then all the assets and all the liabilities in one shot. Okay, land and building, plant and machinery, stock, debtor, cash, goodwill. Okay, now pay attention. Just pay attention here. Land and building, plant and machinery, stock. These three amounts has been taken from the from the additional information which was given in the question. ठीक है, you remember there was a finance team of White Limited. They decided कि नहीं plant and machinery ज़्यादा है, land and building ज़्यादा है, stocks कम है, so they revalued all the assets, all these three assets they revalued, and after revaluation they have came to this conclusion. So we are using those revaluated assets into opening entries of White Limited because it was done by the finance team of White Limited. In Green Limited realization account we didn't use this figures. We didn't. The amounts used was from the balance sheet of Green Limited. यहाँ से ना जो revaluation किया finance team ने बैठ के, so revalued assets we are amount we are considering here. ठीक है, remaining debtors है, cash है, this is same. Now goodwill ये है ना, we will not get it directly. Goodwill was actually 1 lakh, but इधर it is 2 lakhs. ये कैसे मिलेगा? We will not get this amount directly. We will consider the liabilities also. Liabilities में क्या है? First 36,000. हाँ, 36,000 correct. I thought 3 lakhs. So first of all, from the comments, we knew that 5% will be removed from the debtors. So debtors जो है वो assets है. From this 36,000, ये 36,000 तो entire payment will not get. We'll remove 5% from this. So that will all the expenses and losses. ठीक है. तो ये we are removing 5% from 36,000, 1,08,000. Then debentures is also our liability, 12 lakhs. ठीक है, sorry, 1,20,000. 1,20,000. How we have got it? 1 lakh was the debenture. 20% from the last comment. 20% is the premium which we are paying. The acquiring company is paying 20,000. So 1 lakh at 20% is 20,000. So 1,20,000 is our liability now. Okay, first liability is of the debtors, bad debts, sorry. Second liability is for the debenture holders. हम लोग ने 20% का offer दिया additional. So 1 lakh debentures was the amount. Now it is 1,20,000. Creditors as it is, no change. Business purchased, actually we have purchased, we are paying it in 15 lakhs. Okay, so this figures we have got it directly. Now we will compare this figures with this. Okay, and whatever difference will be coming, and that difference will be putting it in goodwill. Okay, any doubts here? Okay, no. Okay, so either all assets to liabilities, by all the assets to all the liabilities. Okay, revalued assets, debtors as it is, cash as it is, goodwill will keep it blank. Okay, it is actually 1 lakh, but we'll keep it blank because फिर liabilities, bad debts का 5% will remove, debentures का 12% से we are moving into 14%, but we are giving 20% as the premium. So 20,000 is added to 1 lakh debentures. Creditors same, business purchased same, 15 lakhs. So the difference of this will be putting it in goodwill. If suppose if this is more and this is less, then to shareholders account we'll put it here. That means it will be a loss. गुडविल नहीं है, गुडविल जीरो हो गया, ठीक है, गुडविल नेगेटिव हो गया एक्चुअली. सो वी विल पुट इट एज अ बैलेंसिंग फिगर हियर, इधर नीचे लिख देंगे फाइनली. So we'll take difference. If the difference here above ऊपर ज़्यादा है तो we'll write it in the goodwill. If difference below is less, so we'll write it as an expense in the shareholders account. That's it. ठीक है. These two are the only, मतलब this one is the only tricky one. Okay, remaining तो easy है. Okay. Third one easy. By liquidator, 15 lakhs was the amount. Okay, how it has been segregated? 1,50,000, 90,000, 4,50,000 as the premium. We have written this in the purchase consideration part. Okay, how this 15 lakh has been disbursed. Liquidator को दिया मैंने 15 lakhs. Now liquidator is telling, okay, cash में 1,50,000, equity shares 99 lakhs, 9 lakhs, premium amount 4,50,000. It is distributing like that. You can imagine like ऐसे distribute कर रहा हो liquidator. Okay, then goodwill to cash. ये क्या है? From the last part, the expense which was liquidator का जो पैसा है, after when the company Green Limited is closing down, there is an expense of 5,000. ठीक है, चल दिखाई देता हूँ लास्ट में. Was there. This also, if you remember, ये debtors का we have taken 5% there, and the cost of liquidation of Green Limited came to 5,000. So this is been included there because this has been paid by the White Limited. तो इसके लिए ये 5,000 है. This has been come from that, and that is also added into goodwill actually. ठीक है, तो cash payment is done by the White Limited company. For the liquidation, so that is also a part of a goodwill. तो वहाँ से आया. Then the final thing is 12% debentures, which was 1 lakh. Okay, premium which we are paying 20,000. So to the 14% new debentures holders खुश हो जाएंगे. 14%, 1,20,000. ठीक है, this is it. Opening entries. Okay, so the closing entries I've explained. Okay, you can just take it from the realization account and do it, from the ledgers and do it. Opening entries, the thing which is important is, first thing, you imagine that the acquiring company and first of all, acquiring company and the target company, they are appointing a liquidator. Okay, so liquidator will take care of all the liquidation process of the target company. So that's the reason the acquiring company is giving the money. Okay, you imagine money itself. Acquiring company is giving money to the liquidator, and liquidator is taking care of how to distribute the money. So this is how it is giving the money. Okay, 15 lakhs directly दे दिया liquidator को. Then assets, by assets to liabilities. Okay, being above, assets and liabilities are transferred. Okay, transferred आना चाहिए था, are transferred. ठीक है, this is how all the liabilities and the assets will be transferred, and then after this, liquidator, how it will be disbursing the amounts. Okay, in these 3 ways. Then finally, goodwill to cash. This is the additional expense. Any expense will be there from the acquiring company side. Will be, if it is a cash amount, the goodwill में add होता रहेगा. Okay. Then finally, debenture holders को whatever offer we have given, that is there. Okay. So this is what is about the opening entries. Okay. Again, this PPT also I'll share it in the group, and along with that, I'll give one question as well. Okay. You can write. You can consider that as an assignment. Okay. After this PPT itself, in the last slide, I'll put one question and we'll discuss it in the next class. Okay, you can, if you want, you can try it. We have done all the parts from that question also. Okay, उसमें सिर्फ एक preference shares का I'll put it. Okay, so we'll have a taste of that as well. Okay, so this is how the fourth model problem comes. There might be few changes here and there, but opening entries, closing entries, and the other ledgers, you need to remember it like that. Okay, if you have not understood, you can just remember how the pattern goes. But if you understood, no need to rectify that. You can get it. Okay, so I'll share this. Okay. Shall I close it? Okay, fine. See you.